Imagine ingesting a credit card worth of plastic every week. Shocking, isn't it? Yet that's exactly what research from the University of Newcastle, Australia suggests. The average person could be consuming up to 5 grams of plastic each week, the equivalent of a credit card, mainly in the water we drink and the food we eat. That's a terrifying thought. Plastic pollution has turned into a global crisis, one that not only affects our environment but also our health. Small plastic particles known as microplastics are everywhere, in our oceans, in the soil, in the air we breathe, and even in the food we eat. When we consume these microplastics, they can cause various health issues, including inflammation, genotoxicity, oxidative stress, apoptosis, and necrosis. Now think about the vast amount of plastic we produce. Nearly 300 million tons of plastic get produced every year, half of which is for single-use items. That's the equivalent of the weight of the entire human population. A staggering 91% of plastic isn't recycled, and much of it ends up in our oceans, killing millions of marine animals. We can't escape the fact that we're living in a world saturated with plastic. But we can change our habits and make a big difference. How, you might ask? By reducing, reusing, and recycling. Reducing means cutting down on the amount of plastic we use. Swap out single-use plastic items for reusable ones. Instead of a plastic water bottle, opt for a metal one. Ditch the plastic grocery bags and bring your own cloth bags. Small changes can have a big impact. Reusing is another key step. Many items like glass jars and containers can have a second life. Instead of throwing them away, use them for storage or for DIY projects. Recycling is the last part of the equation. Make sure to properly dispose of the plastic you do use. Many cities have recycling programs, so take advantage of them. But the responsibility isn't just on us as individuals. Businesses, manufacturers, and governments all have a role to play in reducing plastic pollution. They need to innovate, creating products and packaging that are better for our planet. And we, as consumers, need to support these initiatives. The plastic problem isn't going away overnight, but if we all commit to making changes in our daily lives, we can help turn the tide. Remember, every piece of plastic ever made still exists somewhere. Let's make sure we're not adding to the problem. So next time you reach for that plastic water bottle or grocery bag, think twice. Remember the credit card's worth of plastic you could be consuming each week. Make a different choice. Choose to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Choose to make a difference. Remember, every action counts.